big storm coming. It's right there.
Here we are regretting all of our decisions, mostly of not putting a welder in the JK yet.
Yeah.
I wanted to bring the blue truck because it had a heater and a cab, but the seats are soaking wet because we left the windows down. So we decided we'd bring the Record because it has everything. We don't have to swap stuff over. But now we're regretting that decision. We're heading on to Hell's Revenge to do some welding. The rig broke down yesterday, and we couldn't go in last night, so we're going in now. Chocolate is gone.
There?
Yeah, right in the river.
Hey, that's convenient. So here we are.
Here's the water raging in the background.
Just a small stream. So anyway, there is a bracket on this here that has gone away. You may notice the pinion angle is a bit extreme. There it is. The upper link has come loose from the frame. It's now snowing. We got one end of the link off, and now we're getting a portion of this bracket that's come loose from the frame. She's on the run, that's for sure. Oh yeah, there it is, watch yourself.
So, I don't think we can take that bolt out because of how close the exhaust is.
Right.
We're gonna have to put that up in there, weld that to that super crappy thin steel, which will be awesome. Get that all in there and just get it welded together as best we can. And that's all gonna have to get cut out and replaced because that frame is very much jeopardized. But as long as we can get it out of here.
our stream.
Yep.
How are things?
Yeah. Everything's soaked. That chintzy ass steel won't weld. I'm just in a great mood. 'Cause this is so much fun.
Can we just carry it out?
Yeah. But I just don't want to. It's not always easier, especially in the snow.
I totally agree.
So I don't really want to. We're trying to not to. It's running off the sides of the truck.
Right.
And so it's just soaking you, the gloves. I've already been electrocuted a couple times. Usually puts me in a great mood. It's so easy. I want to do off-road recovery too.
Yeah. When in doubt, add a triangle.
Idle it up, right?
Idle it up.
Down a little bit after being electrocuted multiple times from wet gloves and everything. We've taken a breather, walked away for a minute. Now we've got some different dry rod, hopefully, and some metal, and we're gonna go back under there, get situated, and see what we can accomplish in the next few minutes. Here we go.
Yeah, like that. Good. Is your battery pooping out?
Let's see what happens now.
Yeah. Okay, coming down.
Yeah.
How you guys doing?
A lot better than you guys right now.
So is this one of your vehicles?
It's his.
This is mine.
This is the lucky guy.
Yeah, I got electrocuted a few times. It's super fun. It's together. It's gonna hold the drive out of here. I would definitely run in two-wheel drive. Like, it'll drive out of here, but I wouldn't wheel it. I wouldn't do anything.
Yeah, so it's going straight to the trailer, going right home.
Yeah, in any of the hills that you have, I'll just hook a strap so that we don't put any stress on the front end pulling.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You might want to fire it up, get your window defrosting. All right, well, now that the weather's nice, we're on our way. There we go. She's on the trailer. Some mighty fine weather here. Not as bad over there. We should definitely go over there.
We should go to Monticello.
Instead, we're going over there. The dam is holding.